Hello, everyone. Thanks for having me today. Great. So let's go through updates. There are a lot, as you can see on the screen. So again, just to recap, independent publisher connectors are connectors that are submitted by anyone, so built by anyone, submitted by anyone, and that run through our certification pipeline, right? So you do get that approval that your connector works and that it is of a certain quality and that it is directly available within the product. So if you ever want to submit a connector, a custom connector that you've built in the past, or you ever want to build a new one and submit it, you can just go straight to that GitHub repository and add it in there after reading through the README and the certification process. So in terms of how many connectors we have in production in the Power Platform today, we have 15 in total and 8 new this month. So I put little party and celebration symbols and icons next to all of those. So we have Yelp, Spotify, Toggleplan, Discord, What 3 Words, Etsy, Hashify, and Secure Code Warrior. So it's pretty incredible to see all these people who have been involved. Ahmad, Daniel, who's on the call today, Troy, who's also on the call today, and Matt have been adding the ones that came out this month. In terms of the leaderboard for the most number of active connections for these connectors, we have Airtable as number 1, HubSpot CRM as number 2, and Jira Search by Paul Comcy as number 3. So we're really excited to see that as well. And we have 15 connectors still in the pipeline that are going through certification. 3 of those, as you can see, are actually fun connectors. So we have Chuck Norris, Dad Jokes, and Placedog. And Troy will be giving a quick demo today right after I finish chatting with you all with Placedog, because who doesn't love dogs? And just in general, other updates. So Daniel, as well as a couple of the other project coordinators, have been managing the discussions, the new discussion section within our GitHub repository. Even if you're not looking to submit a connector or build a connector and you have connector ideas, that is the place to go. Daniel kicked off the thread very recently. So, just go in there, put in the connector you have an idea for or functionality for. So this is the place definitely to go that. And of course, special shout out to our project coordinators as always, Ahmad, April, Daniel, Fausto, Paul, Rebecca, and Troy for all their brain power and for all the great things that are happening in this community. So that's all on my end. So Troy, I'll kick it off to you to give us a fun demo with the Placedog connector.
Yeah, so Placedog is a very simple API, but it's a great API. It's not, unfortunately, it's not bunnies or horses, but it does allow you to get dogs from a wide open API. So for this demo, I've created a Canvas Power App, and this is pulling up 12 dog pictures, and it allows you to easily refresh. As you can see, this refresh button is connected to a Power Automate that is, for right now, since the Placedog connector is not certified, I'm using my own version of it to get a dog, store the file in SharePoint, and then respond to the Power App with the URL for that SharePoint location. As you can see, after just a couple seconds, it's going to refresh all of these dogs, hopefully. Yep, oh, missed one. But yeah, so here is a great example of an independent publisher connector that is in the fun category that hopefully will be released very soon. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Troy. And Troy, is this your first time on the call today?
It is, yes.
Feel free to introduce yourself as well.
Yep, I'm Troy Taylor. I'm a consultant for Hitachi Solution. It's great to be here.
Yeah, Troy was also one of our project coordinators, and he's been submitting so many connectors. So thanks again, Troy.
Awesome. Well, that is exciting.